Hello. Okay, so I saw a comment on my last video that you still wanted me to open the past Sophie and Toffee boxes, and actually I saw a comment today that somebody wanted me to open the Advent Calendar Elves box. So I thought, well, I know Christmas is gone, but I've never opened an Advent Calendar box before. I'm not sure whether this is the first time Sophie and Toffee have ever done one, because I've only had them for a couple of years. So I thought, how exciting. Let's, it's time for something exciting. Don't know how this works. Obviously we won't do it over days, we'll do it over. So let's get in and see what we're supposed to do. No idea. I'll probably get it wrong. But it doesn't matter. We'll just have some fun. So it's a big, let's have a look. Oh, lots of bubble wrap. So it's a little bit squashed, but okay. All my tables going everywhere. Right, can you see that properly? We have doors like an Advent calendar. This is cute. So I presume we just open them like a normal Advent calendar. It's a bit squashed, so what do we do? Should we just open it like an Advent calendar? What have we got? This is quite exciting. So I can't actually see what you can see because I'll put my head into view, so I'm just going to have to trust that there's nothing else in there. So what have we got? Diamond Dust UV Resin. Okay, can you see that? I shall zoom in on everything after. See if you can see that. Hope the lights aren't too glary. So Diamond Dust UV Resin. Okay, does it say... Oh, yellow. I mean, the band's yellow enough, but it's yellow. Okay, we'll put you over there. I'm sticking to all the tape on the table. You knew this wasn't going to be straightforward with me, didn't you? Okay, number 2. Shall I take that? I'm just going to take that straight off, because that's going to be awkward. What have we got in here? Pull it out, pull it out. Come on. Oh. Ferris wheel silicone mould. Okay, let's have a look. Well, actually, I might just find all the things and then we'll open them up afterwards. So we've got a Ferris wheel with silicone mould. So that's number 2. Number 3. This would be sweet to do every day, wouldn't it? So for 12 days. This is really cute. Oh look, we have stars, blue stars. Those are pretty. So that's number 3. We do Advent calendars in our house, but not like this. I get my husband always buys me a nice chocolate one, like Thornton's or Galaxy is my favourite. We're making a mess now. I've waited all this time. Is that right? What's in here? Cookie silicone mould. Oh, that's really sweet. They're tiny, tiny cookies. Tiny, tiny cookies. That's really cute. That's number 4. Let's reload these on the top so that I can tell you which one was which. Okay. Oh, this is not going to be as easy as I'd hoped. I forgot. Colour changing UV. Wow, brilliant. So does it go from this to this? Cool. That's ace. Does it go from green to brown or brown to green? Really? Okay. Let's just see if I can... No, I can't. My hand's just not very strong. It's fine. We can do this. What's this? Oh no, that's pretty. Look, we've got some of those metallic chips we've seen before, and then we've got like some inclusions in there, some pretties. Those are really pretty colours. Some turquoise, some metallic pinks. Beautiful. So that's number 6, number 7. Oh, we've got something bigger in there. AirPod. Generation 1 and 2. Silicone. So is this like an AirPod case? That's really sweet. That's cool. You can make an AirPod. My daughter's got some children, not Apple, children's AirPods. So I wonder if that would fit. That would be amazing. She'd love that. Okay. I think that, to design it for my daughter would be amazing. She would. She's asked for some. Okay. Oh wow. Hey, this brings me back to the hem wake glitters we did. That's beautiful. Look at those. Yeah, that reminds me of the hem wave. Do you remember the hem wake glitters we did? That reminds me of one of those. That's 8. I love this. Kind of makes me sad I didn't do it at Christmas, but then I wouldn't have been able to share it with you guys if I'd have done it each day at Christmas, would I? What's in here? Oh, it's hard to get your hands in, especially on camera. Hope you guys can still see. Sophie Toffee Crystal UV Resin. Does it say what colour it is? Does it say what colour it is? I don't know if this one says a colour. Smoky. On the back, it just says smoky. Does that mean it goes out the colour? See, it says smoky. Okay. Put them in line so we can see what was at number 10. These are hard to open if you've got rubbish hands like me, I'm afraid, guys. Maze silicone mould. Oh, there's so many different things you could do with this. Maze. So we haven't got one theme. We've got lots of little themes. This is so exciting. This is really, really sweet. So we've got lots of little balls in there. That's amazing. So this is lots of little projects, which I find really cute because then we've got lots of little options. I don't know what I was expecting. Because I never really thought about it. I just thought, I don't know whether we were making an advent calendar or whether we were, I don't know what I was expecting. But now I think about it, somebody said, I didn't know, because obviously I don't do spoilers, but somebody, I know, because it's so far after, people said, oh yeah, it's the advent calendar box. And I never really thought about it. Okay, so we've got an opaque colour UV resin, and that's yellow as well. So the first one we got was a diamond dust UV resin, and then this one is an opaque UV resin. Okay, and the last one, come on, is a star shaker mould. Oh, and it's so little and cute. Oh, I like that. Okay, have I got everything out? Okay, let me put it all so that you can see it, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've zoomed in. Yeah, you just knew I wasn't going to be able to do this video without giving you a sneak peek of what these resins were. So we've got, I've just got my little hand torch, so I hope. So we've got the diamond dust UV resin. So I'm just going to do it on this mould that we had the AirPod mould. I'm just going to do some squiggles just so we can see what it is. So that's the diamond dust we got in number 1. Are you going to set for me? Oh yeah. Okay, so it's pretty and it's like gold glitter. Then in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we got, oh, this is the colour changing one. So is it green or brown, and does it change? Is it this one? Does it change? What colour do you come out? Ooh, you come out brown. Well, sort of reddy actually. Reddy brown. And do you change? So is it heat change? Is it? Oh, 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 yeah, look. Hang on. Can you see? So it changes. Oh, it's like fluorescent. It's like fluorescent. That's cool. So it changes from brown to sort of like green fluorescent. That's cool. So is that under heat or is that under UV? Colour changing UV. Now I know it's UV gel, UV resin, but does it change under UV or does it change under heat? So that's cool. So in number 9 we got the UV crystal resin. Now remember I said it didn't really say a, oh, there's the dog's going mad. Didn't really say, and then down here in tiny letters it said smoky and I wasn't sure if that was the colour. So I suppose it is a smoky coloured resin. I think my batteries are going in my lamp. Don't go yet under the surface. I don't use this torch very often. Batteries are going. No, 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 we've got one colour to do, don't don't go yet. And then we've got, this says it's yellow, opaque yellow. Oh yes. Oh, and that's nice. This is number 11. So those are really cute, those are lovely. Okay, let me zoom you back out. And I like those UV resins, they're sweet, they're cute. I like the diamond dust one, that's really nice to have in a UV resin, especially in the, I really like these little tiny nozzle bottles, they're really handy. So, all in all I left this box tiny little pieces. I like the fact that there's lots of little projects that you can do with them. I love the AirPod mould, the AirPod case mould. That's really cool. I think we got a nice array of things. I think the fact that we got 4 different little UV resins is nice, and we got some nice inclusions. These look really sweet. Where did I put my tweezers? This looks good. We've got a little heart in there, some little diamonds. Yeah, this is really sweet. There's lots of nice little gems in there, lots of nice little things in there. So, some of these moulds are a bit too tiny for me to do at the moment. This cookie mould, that is so cute, so cute. They are adorable. So yeah, what I was thinking, my daughter's got some children AirPods, so I was thinking I and she loves the colour blue. So I'm thinking I'm going to do some, in another video, I will do a blue AirPod case for her with some blue stars, or sort of perhaps use some glitter and do a glittery case with some blue stars so the blue stars stand out. And then perhaps we'll do some detail from one of the resins, perhaps this diamond dust resin, and perhaps a couple of the inclusions. So that's what I think I'll do out of this box, and then I'll put the other bits and perhaps use them in some of the videos. I like these little teeny balls. That's nice with the maize mould. That's another nice little project. But I really enjoyed opening the calendar. I think that was really something really different. I quite like getting things that are different because, like, you know, I love the Sophie Toffee boxes, but something for Christmas, the calendar, I thought was a really nice idea. But thank you all for watching. I do hope you didn't mind it being so late after Christmas. So thank you very much for, you know, sticking with me. Yeah, hopefully I can continue to do the videos, and we continue. I've got something, as I said before, lined up. Things haven't arrived yet, but I've had some correspondence, so that's exciting. And yeah, hopefully that won't be too long before things arrive, and I can hopefully get on to try and do that. So yes, take care, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye for now.